Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. Today is the drawing for these gorgeous polishes. An example of 2 colors that you would receive. 10 lucky winners in the US will receive a random color of these Modelones Snowflake gel polishes. And if you don't win, I'll put the link down in the description so that you would be able to purchase these if you would like. And then I will draw for the portion that is out of my pocket just some random nail arts. It will come in an envelope like this. I don't know what's in them. They're all sealed up. There'll be 5 winners for non-US or the non-gel polish users. I will be putting stamps on these, your address, so make sure that you give me your address. And for the US, I need your email as well. I don't save addresses or emails, I just copy and paste them. I will have to send off all the emails to Modelones, the Modelones seller on Amazon at the same time. So please try to get back with me as soon as possible. I will put the date in the description when you need to contact me by. If not, I'll have to pick alternate winners. So good luck everybody, and let me get set up. Okay, I'm getting set up. This is the online stopwatch random name picker. I had to leave off one person for not being visibly subscribed, even though I did say so, because I haven't seen them comment or they changed their name. I'm not sure. And one person didn't name 3 things that they liked or didn't like about the gel. It could even just have been the colors. I did reply to please list that. So here's everybody that's entered. And sorry if I didn't reply to you. That meant I did not see your comment. I stated that in the video. YouTube is getting trouble and is blocking some comments, even though I allow all comments through on my channel. I've had to reset that twice now. Here's all the entries. Set the wheel and we'll pick 10 winners. You can pause your screen to see if you're on here. Winner number 1. Remove. Winner number 2. Remove. Winner number 3. Remove. Going for winner number 4. Who will it be? Congratulations, winner number 4. Number 5. Who will it be? Congratulations, winner number 5. Winner number 6. Who will it be? Congratulations, winner number 6. Move the name. Winner number 7. Who will it be? Congratulations, winner number 7. Winner number 8. Who will it be? Congratulations, winner number 8. Winner number 9. Who will it be? Congratulations, winner number 9. And our final winner for the US gel polish by Modelones is... Congratulations, winner number 10. Let me set up for the non-US nail art. Okay, here's the setup for the non-USA side for the nail art. I had to exclude one person because they did not name off 3 things about the gel, and I asked that they do so. Winner number 1. Remove the name. Winner number 2. Remove the name. Winner number 3, remove the name. Winner number 4, remove the name. Winner number 5, remove the name. Those are my 5 winners, gel polish winners, and my 5 nail art winners. So we've just made 15 people quite happy today. I'm glad about that. I'm sorry about if you didn't win, but please, down below in the comments, please do not pout if you didn't win. There will be plenty more times to win. I'll be having another giveaway this month, and I may not announce it. I may just sneak it into a video. So stay tuned, keep watching, keep commenting. I do appreciate everyone. Winners, please contact me by the date listed in the description down below. And everyone else, please congratulate the winners. Thank Modelones for the gel polish portion of this giveaway, please. I do appreciate everyone watching. Have a great day, everyone. Until next time, you be you. You be you, and I'll be me. Bye-bye.